Hi everyone. This is a very simple and quick video on testing the new file output functionality in Agent.ai. This was something that came up on the Builder Roundtable on Wednesday, and it's amazing to see that it's already been added as a beta feature in the product. You can find it here when you go to Create Output. You'll see Save to File Beta. And the way I expected it to work is that I should be able to generate some output and then save it as a .html, .txt, .pdf that I can just then download. Uh, just makes life simple from the standpoint of being able to access that information. So I have a very simple agent here. Enter a topic, do some research on the topic, and then this is what I do. I'm saying save to file, and I'm saying PDF, and I'm giving it what information I want in the PDF, and then I'm basically saying what the output variable is. And obviously, I think the question which people get stuck in is once you do this, how do you access it? And then when you now go and output it, this basically has the URL. So if you want the URL, that's stored over here. So if you now go run this, this is what the output looks like. And you can see, I'll just show you in the dev console, take the input, does the research, creates the file, and then creates the output. So hopefully that's helpful and useful.